Welcome to the Silk Walk Studio. It is our most awaited live of pure silk sarees, because a lot of you have been messaging us, when is the pure silk sarees arrival? I want to buy few sarees for the festival season. So this was a planned session especially for the festival season and with all pure silk sarees. So we have them in two ranges. One is the pocket friendly edition, which everybody of you all like, and the other we have the exclusives collection. So just stay tuned. If you are there in today's live, please let us know. Please give us a thumbs up. And we had to do it the Friday because we wanted to give you ample time to decide during the weekend, and if you want to purchase, you can do the purchase, and we will be shipping all of these orders on Monday.
Kavya says hi.
Hi Kavya, welcome.
Renuka says hi, Johanna.
Hi Renuka. Renuka Patil. Correct?
Yeah, right.
Hi guys, welcome.
Hema says hi.
Hi Hema.
Rupa said hi.
Hi Rupa.
Few people's names we can't read it out their Insta handle. So hi to everyone.
Hi guys, hi to everyone who are there in today's live. I'll tell you the booking procedure. So the few of the sarees, I think most of them we have covered them on the website. We have put them on the website already, so it is up and ready to buy directly through the website. You needn't wait for us to reply. But there are just a few, I think 4 of them which we haven't uploaded. For them you can directly message us to book.
Vigneshwari says hi.
Hi
Nice saree.
Vigneshwari, thank
Hope you all
you.
are doing good.
Yeah, we are all doing good, and hope everybody of you all is staying fine and staying indoors. Stay safe. So we are hearing that the third wave is about to start and all that, but I really pray that everything ends really very soon, and we get back to our pre-pandemic life very soon.
Ramya says hi, Johanna.
Hi Ramya,
Anuja
welcome.
says hi.
Hi.
Arya says looking pretty.
Thank you.
Deepika says hi.
Hi Deepika. Welcome guys, welcome to our program today.
Shilpa says hi.
Hi Shilpa.
Tessie says hi.
Quite a number of people, then I think we can start. We'll start with the show very soon now. And as I told you, we are going to show them in 2 categories. One is the pocket friendly series, and the other category is the exclusives collection. We have a few of the exclusives collection, and we have about 10 sarees from the pocket friendly range. So let's start. The pocket friendly category is all priced at 6450.
Priya says your saree is nice.
Thank you Priya, thank you so much. So yeah, starting with similar color. No, this is a turquoise shade. The one what I am wearing is a blue and a turquoise color mixed.
Shubhashri says hi.
Hi Shubhashri.
Ramya says looking very pretty.
Thank
Beautiful
you.
saree.
Thank you Ramya, thank you so much. Thank you for joining. If there is one person who joins me in every live, then it is Ramya.
Divya
Thank
says
you
hi.
for the support. Hi Divya. So yeah, now we are seeing a turquoise shade saree with silver zari work, okay, throughout the body. You can see that the zari work is there throughout. It comes with a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse.
Jaswanti says looking awesome, dear.
Thank
the
you.
saree that you're wearing is awesome.
Thank you guys. So this one is priced at 6450.
Malati says beautiful sarees.
Thank you Malati. Okay, so now this is one saree which we have restocked. So this is the saree. If you have seen this on our page and if you have requested it for us, then I think this saree is for you. It's a full ivory shade saree.
Kavya says hi.
Hi Kavya.
Niveda says hi, ma'am, looking gorgeous.
Thank you Niveda. Thank you so much. So it's a golden zari. Okay, it's an antique gold zari, not the very flashy ones. And it's a full ivory saree, and I take you back to the inspiration, the model picture which I posted. Full ivory with green pearl work on the blouse, Yeah, that's the pallu.
Ashwini says hi.
And that's the blouse. Hi Ashwini. And green jewelry. So the sari is going to look very awesome. Price of the sari is 6450. Comes with an antique gold zari. Okay, it's one of the saris which was most wanted when we posted a video.
Sayali says hi, nice sari.
Who is it? Sai?
Sayali.
Sayali. Okay, hi Sayali. I think she's from Malaysia. Sayali. Correct. Sayali. Correct.
Deepa says hi.
Hi Deepa.
Kavya says your sari is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, Kavya.
And a lot of other people are saying hi.
Hi guys. Welcome, welcome. So this is one beautiful pink. Okay, it's sort of a dual tone wherein you can find an onion pink shade. Okay.
May I know the price of the sari which you wore?
Yeah, I'll come to that. This is the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, comes with a full brocade work blouse. Price of the sari is 6450.
Saran says you look stunning.
Thank you. Thank you, Saranya.
Kavya
Okay.
says you look so gorgeous.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thanks to everyone. Yeah, so regarding the sari that I am wearing, the one that I am wearing is priced at 6,900. We also have two similar pieces like what I am wearing, and they are priced at 8,900. Okay, since I have taken it for display, okay, I'm giving it at 6,900. Okay, so this one is a pastel blue shade. Okay, same design as the previous one. Comes with a very rich pallu and it comes with a brocade blouse. Price of the sari is 6450.
Peek to my kitchen says hi.
Hi.
Bhanu says hi.
Hi Banu.
Blessy says it's beautiful.
Thank you. I think Blessy meant the sari, right? The previous sari. Okay, so now this is one sari which I posted in my feed, but I wanted you people to see the actual shade. It's a very beautiful, mesmerizing pink. A sort of a pink and an orange dual tone sari with temple zari borders in copper and in silver. Comes with a pallu and
Rekha says
a
nice
brocade
earrings.
blouse. Brocade blouse. Thank you, Rekha. Thank you.
Sneha says hi.
Hi.
Madhu says hi.
Hi, Madhu.
And
Madhu ரொம்ப நாளா காண போயிட்டாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
I think it's another Madhu.
Okay.
Sandhya says I want that blue and grey combo.
Yeah, please take, it is up on our website. So I'll also tell you how to find these saris on the website. They are there is one category which is 30th of July 2021 live. Okay, so we have uploaded them under that category, and you can directly go there and find them, or also you can find them under the pocket friendly section of the website. And the exclusives you will find under the exclusive section. Okay, the website address is thesilkwalkstudio.com. So this is another beautiful sari.
Prasiddha says too pretty in the blue sari.
Thank you, Prasada. Thank you so much. So yeah, this is one other beautiful sari with a black border. Comes with a black pallu and a black blouse. Price of the sari is 6450.
Komal says hi ma'am, looking
Hi.
beautiful.
Thank you, Komal. Yeah, and one other beautiful sari. It's in a very pretty pink shade, a pink and an orange dual shade.
Rishita says hi.
Hi, Rishita.
Rajani says hi.
So you can see it has temple zari borders on both sides. Comes with a very pretty pallu and comes with a brocade blouse. Okay,
Rajani says hi.
6450 is the price. Hi, Rajani.
Shanmuga says hi Joe.
Hi, Shanmuga. Shanmuga Priyava.
Oh.
Facebook.
Anusha says hi dear, good evening.
Hi, Anusha. Welcome.
Can you repeat the price?
Okay, all of the sarees that I showed you is all priced at 6450. Okay, so just continuing on the pocket friendly series, we have one beautiful, a sort of a reddish pink.
Dr. Deepa says hi.
Hi, Dr. Deepa. I hope everybody is fine and getting ready for the festival season. So even when you are going to other people's house, please wear a mask and continue to stay safe. So yeah, this is a beautiful sari with silver zari motifs of flowers. Comes with a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. 6450 is the price.
Purnamas is super.
Thank you. Okay, so the next one is a blue grey shade. Very very pretty sari. ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா வேணும் ஒரு ஒகேஷனுக்கு ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா கட்டணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு the saree is very suitable because the saree has zero zari.
Can you repeat the price?
6450.
And are there any saris without border?
Yeah, so I think most of the sarees are borderless, whatever we had shown you. Okay, so this is one saree with temple work in thread work. Okay, in color like pink and yellow, and that's the pallu. Pallu is really super, and it comes with a thread work blouse which is also thread work.
Dr. Deepa says today mom is watching a live session with me.
Who?
Our mom
Oh,
is
mom,
watching.
okay. Thank you. So for all the okay, this is one tricky shade. Okay, so it looks like brown and in between purple. So it's a very, but it's a, I'll show you. I'll just open and show you. It looks very pretty. So if anybody wanted a coffee brown, so this is somewhere between purple and coffee brown, and it has silver zari booties. Comes with a contrast grey pallu and a contrast blouse. 6450 is the price. Okay, so now we have one favorite after one of the bloggers called Pankwali Pallu. She posted one of her sari in this lime green shade, and I know it went viral in my page at least. So there were a lot of people asking for same color, so here we have brought you, and with the same combo. I think she had worn it with a royal blue color, but this one is a dark blue. That's the pallu and the blouse. So this sari has square zari motifs all over. It's in a lime green. 6450 is the price.
Kavya says hello.
Hi Kavya. Lot of Kavyas, illa? I know one Kavya. Kavya CM. CM. She is my regular client. Kavya CM. Okay, so now we are going towards the exclusive collection. Okay, these sarees are all very very pretty, and they are priced somewhere 8,000 9,000 in that range. Okay, so I'm going to show you one after the other. This one is priced at 8,900.
Watching from Australia, awesome collection.
Thank you. Perenama?
Perilla.
Nama per vikkalayama. So yeah, it's a very pretty green.
Geeta says green sari is so pretty.
I think that one, yeah, lime green. That was the photo when the blogger shared the photo with me, and when I posted on my feed, a lot of y'all were asking for the same color sari. அது எனக்கு நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. And thank you to Pankwali Pallu. So
Lakshmi says hi, I am late. Oh, am I late?
no, not that late. We still have about 5-6 sarees to go. So yeah, it's a I think the design is visible, right? So the upper part and the lower part has very small zari checks, and in between it has these paisley motifs. Okay, so the saree is very very pretty. Comes with a contrast pallu in pink and a contrast blouse.
Vaisho needs this bottle green.
Vaishka, எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So it's a beautiful saree, as I told you, and there is also one more shade in that. I think I haven't brought it today, but you can find it on the website. Okay, it is in this royal blue. Same design, we have one more. Just please check the website. Okay, so this one is a very pretty design. This one is priced at 8,900 in a royal blue with a rust brown color. One side is borderless, the other side has this beautiful border with elephants and parrot motifs, animal motifs.
Can you repeat
So that's
the
how the
price?
sari is. 8,900 is the price. Pallu. Very beautiful blouse. In the blouse wear and the sari ku match pannunga. Super ah irukum the blouse. Because it has checks and it has buttas. In the blouse kahave you can get the sari.
Gardening is life, sis. This is beautiful, dear.
Thank you. So it's a one of a kind sari. Very beautiful and it has silver diamond buttas all over the body. Okay, close up picture. It is all available on our website. Please do check. That's the pallu and look at the blouse.
Anushanti says, wow.
Thank you. Anusha இந்த மாதிரி டைப்ல ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Okay, same saree in a different color. It's sort of a mehendi green.
Vaishu says, man, you are rocking with your collections. I think we can't see such collections anywhere else, even in shops.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you so much, da. Thanks, da. Romba thanks. I'm very happy. So yeah, this is another such mehendi green color, and it comes with a contrast border on one side. Other side is borderless like the previous one. On one side of the border you have parrot and elephant motifs. Comes with a very very pretty pallu, and as usual, I'll tell you which is the most interesting part of the saree is this blouse. Okay, 8,900 is the price.
The
Okay.
one that you showed previously, I think, Renuka says the color is super.
Thank you,
And she
Renuka.
says, oh my god, rare combo.
Renuka, which one are you telling? The blue or the
Even
mehendi
the-
green?
I think mehendi green.
Okay, thank you. Renuka likes all subtle pastel shades. Okay, now we have another green, Vaishnavi, if you are there. And there was one more person also who was asking for green. I don't remember, just in the morning. Okay, so again a beautiful exclusive from the exclusives range. We
Mehendi
have,
green.
okay, that is little subtle. So as you can see, I'll just show you open. First half has checks with mile motifs. The other half has very intricately woven zari. Okay, so when you are pinning it up, it's going to look like this. Or when you want to hold it like floating, that's how it's going to look. Comes with a contrast pallu. That's the pallu. It's sort of an orangish red color, and comes with a contrast blouse. Blouse has this work for the sleeves. The madri, it has zari work. Okay, so again this one is priced at 9,980. 9,980 is the price of that saree.
Divya says, nice.
Thank you, Divya.
Madhu says, beautiful sarees. Your friend Madhu now.
Thank you, Madhu. I was just asking when somebody called Madhu had pinged me earlier. I was asking Madhu, enga poninga eppadi Coimbatore eppadi irukku kekkanu nenichen. So yeah, we have another beautiful saree. Again, this is priced at 9,980.
Shika says, nice.
Thank you.
Vaishu says, cool.
Thank you, Da. So this is one color which is very very fond for my people. It's in a purple shade with zari motifs, silver zari border on both sides. It look really that grand when you are wearing the saree. Comes
Akanya
with a-
says, wow combination.
Thank you.
And Madhu says, Coimbatore is good.
Coimbatore is good, huh? So yeah, this is the pallu. Comes with a very very beautiful contrast blue color blouse. Blouse again is very very pretty for the saree.
Dhwani says beautiful sari.
Thank you, Dhwani. எவ்வளோ அழகா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இந்த கலர் காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம். Something that even we don't think of. Okay, so this is one more beautiful sari. Again, a lot of lovers for this color. Very pretty color with borders in silver zari buttas all over the body. Comes with a pallu like this. Full. The sari is so rich, okay, and it is quite, like an engagement sari. You can definitely take like for an engagement. That's the pallu. Comes with a blouse like this.
Kushbu says this is really awesome.
Thank you, Kushbu Crafteria.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's a very pretty sari. The color especially is mesmerizing. So if you are interested, please pick up.
Vaishu likes the sky blue.
Sky
This
blue,
is not
and
sky
I think
blue.
the last one. Vaishnavi, that is not sky blue. It is somewhere, it is majorly towards the blue, but it's a dual tone of a blue and a green. It's not turquoise also. Majorly it looks blue, but anga or green un theriyudu.
Can
Okay.
you repeat the price?
Those sarees were priced at 9980. Okay, so this is one saree which I just posted some time back on my story because I just so love the color and the pastel look. So it is a full copper zari saree. Price of the saree is 6,900. Photos and it is not uploaded on the website yet. Okay, so
The price of the sky blue, then this blue.
9980. That was the price of that saree. This saree is priced at 6,900. So it is sort of chocolate
Milkshake.
shake, chocolate milkshake. கொஞ்சம் darker chocolate நல்ல கலரா எப்படி இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு with tree motifs, okay, throughout the border like this.
Vaishu says, okay, that's your style of collection.
Thank you. And it comes with the tree of life motifs in copper zari. That's the pallu. A full copper zari pallu, and that's the blouse.
What is the price of the blue and red blouse combination?
9980 was the price of that saree, and this saree is priced at 6,900.
Renuka says, this is awesome. Love this. It's so confusing.
நிதானமா பொறுமையா எடுங்க, ஒன்னும் அவசரம் இல்ல.
Shubha wants this. I think this one.
The last one. Take Shubha, take. Just message me. These sarees, as I told you, the 4 sarees that I'm going to show you, they are not available on the website. So please message us directly to book, okay? Okay, so now this saree what I'm going to show you is a pure silk mix saree, okay? It is a full bridal type of saree, okay? Like how recently, like in Kerala, the sarees are trending, so it is like that. And but this saree is, as I told you, is a pure silk mix. We call it a mix.
This is stunningly beautiful. Copper zari, right?
That was copper zari. This saree is priced at 6,500. It is a wedding look saree, okay? Apde fulla wedding saree madri irukum. Exact like how we have in the 20,000 range la irukla, and the saree madriye irukum in full copper zari.
Veena says all sarees are amazing. I'm waiting for an event so that I can buy a saree from you. Love your collections.
Thank you guys. If we are waiting for an event, it looks like it will take again 3 to 4 more years. So just enjoy it. Take it now and enjoy like that. Okay, so now this is how the saree would look. As I told you, it's like a bridal saree, definitely a bridal saree, but at a lesser price. There have been a lot of people who are asking us for lesser price bridal sarees, so that is the reason we had got you this. So it comes with a pallu, very very rich.
Geeta says so many nice collections. Confused which one to get. Don't have budget to buy all.
That's the blouse, okay? Blouse is also exactly like how we get like that in that bridal work from our bride series. It is just a copy in a mix range, okay?
Is this red saree soft silk?
See, it is very very soft. Okay, and when you are draping, definitely you will have to pin it up like this. When brides are wearing, they mostly pin it up, so it is going to look good. Price of this is 6,500.
Vaishus is typically confused, going to get bankrupt.
வைஷ்ணவி கொஞ்சம் மெதுவா பொறுமையா யோசிங்க.
Other colors in this bridal?
No, I just have one piece. I wanted to know because we normally deal only with pure silk sarees when it comes to bridal. So we just wanted to know how this moves, and then we will take more colors if you know, if there is a demand. Okay, so the next one is also in the exclusives collection. A very very pretty shade. I know many of you are going to fall for this saree.
Varshini says nice and bright color.
Thank you. Varshini, huh?
Mm.
Okay, so this is in a, you know, sort of என்ன கலர் பாது எப்படி சொல்றதுன்னு எனக்கு
A
தெரியல.
very greenish yellow.
Green and yellow mix. ரொம்ப அழகு கலர், அவ்வளவுதான் எனக்கு சொல்ல தெரியுது. Like an olive and yellow green, yellow towards the yellow எப்படி இருந்தா எப்படி இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு shade. So the designs are like abstract geometrical work, okay, on the body.
Sai Selvi
And
says wow, looking so
That's
pretty.
the pallu. Thank you. That's the pallu, guys. Pallu is all, the zari work is in silver. This is the pallu. Comes with the running blouse, same color.
Sandhya wants to know if the pocket friendly collection is powerloom or handloom.
Handloom. Handloom. All of them are handloom. Except for one sari, what I showed you, all of it is all handloom.
Geeta says wow, this one is amazing.
This one is so
Olive
pretty.
Olive green.
Olive green la brighter side I mean it's little bright, and it also has a slight yellow on the sari.
Menti color?
No, not methi
Mix
shade.
of olive, lemon green.
Or mari which is bright.
Dull shade of fluorescent and bright shade of olive green or
ஆமா.
somewhere in between.
Okay, so this one is also very pretty.
Vinuta says all sarees are absolutely beautiful.
Thank you Vinuta.
And can you repeat the price?
8,900. So yeah, this is one dual tone, like how last time people went for this color. Okay, like it's a green and a blue mix.
Can you tell the
Very
price of
prominently
the
seen
lemon
the
yellow
card.
saree?
8,900. So yeah, this is again 8,900, has abstract flower and leaf motifs. That's the pallu.
Geeta says it's mustard color, lovely.
Mustard.
It's not
That's not mustard. And that's the blouse. Okay, so again a beautiful sari, again priced at 8,900.
Divi says hi ma'am, I like you always.
Thank you, Divi.
Hmm.
Thank you, Divi.
Tina says wow saree.
Thank you.
Ramya says do we have any saree with contrast blouse?
I think we had a lot. We had a few with contrast. So any queries, guys, please let us know. We've come to the end of the live session. We had showcased a lot of beautiful sarees if you had just joined. So please go back to the live, which will be saved in our IGTV, which will also be published on our YouTube channel.
Neeru
And-
says volume is very low.
In Facebook.
Mm.
ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம்னு நினைக்கிறேன் எனக்கு. I don't get messages. I don't I'm unable to see a few posts also, a few of my posts also. So I don't know if Facebook really has some problem. I'm not sure.
Deepali says awesome, just superb.
Thank you.
Orange contrast blouse will be excellent for this one.
Exactly, like how the previous saree also, right? So for that, yeah, normally nowadays I think people go for contrast blouses. It is very nice.
Is cash on delivery available?
No, we don't have cash on delivery, guys. We don't have. We mostly deal with a lot of new collection. We want to show people a lot of new set of sarees and all that. So we normally we don't repeat our collection. So that is the reason we don't have cash on delivery also. And moreover, if we have to opt for cash on delivery, the price of the sarees will go up by 5 to 10%. So most of the people will not go for that. And many of our people are all our regular clients who pick up our sarees. So we always want to give the best price to all of them. So we don't opt for cash on delivery.
Jaswanti says post this live soon.
Yeah, definitely, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this session. I'll tell you, repeat the process to book the sarees. You can visit our website, thesilkwalkstudio.com, and you can find these sarees under the category called 30th July Live. Okay. You can also find them under the exclusive section. You can also find them under the pocket friendly section on the website. Okay. If in case you don't, you couldn't book through any of these means, please message us. We will guide you how to go about with the payment and booking process. Okay. Our WhatsApp number is 7676025364.
Sapna says, please till next time show some pastel lavender and yellow saree.
We have
Really interested with simple design.
We have Sapna, we have so many of them in lavender and lilac shades and pastel shades. Just have a look on our website. Lilac, I think we have 3 or 4 in stock. Okay, so just have a look on our website. You will see, and all of them are simple designs. We don't normally bring too heavy ones and all, except for the bride sarees section. We don't have too heavy designs.
How will you deliver? Courier or?
Yeah, delivery is through. We have lot of delivery partners for us. We deliver through DTDC, Delivery, Professional. Okay, sometimes even to villages where all these courier services are not available, we send through Speed Post, India Post. Okay, so don't worry, we will somehow get it delivered to you. In worst case, our delivery person will call you, and he might ask you, if suppose you are in a remote area, he will ask you to go and collect it from the nearest. But they will call you before booking the parcel. Okay, so don't worry about that.
I need chocolate brown saree.
Take. It's a beautiful saree with copper zari, different one, very unique saree. Any questions, guys? We'll wind up. I wish you all a very happy weekend, and we'll come to the end of the show. Okay, see you. Tata, bye bye.